The new patented GearKlamp from BESSEY Tools is truly an innovation in clamping technology. It puts the handle in line with the bar, allowing you to reach into cramped surfaces, around objects, and get your clamping pads close to your work surface. With its out-of-the-way handle, it's really easy to apply clamping pressure where you would have difficulty with other clamps. And in tight spaces, the GearKlamp gets in where others can't. This line of clamps comes with a swivel head as well as a large removable pad revealing a V-grooved anvil. This allows you to hold dowels as well as other odd-shaped objects. With its ergonomic inline handle, enclosed gear train, sizes from 6 to 24 inches, and the ability to apply up to 450 pounds of clamping force, this clamp is not going to be sitting on the rack for too long. It's a unique design that's going to get use in small boxes, cramped surfaces, and funny enough, regular clamping.